Hi, so for today's discussion, we will talk about the digital age, information age, and computer age, and also the purpose of media in the digital ages. So, first thing first, now, so digital age. So what do you mean by digital age? So digital age, it is a period of a human history characterized by its shift from traditional industry to information technology based industry or economy that brought industrializations during the traditional revolution. So what does the digital means? What does the digital words means? Digital words means an informations which continues to change over time in a new technologies, users, devices, and other domains of research and developments materials launched in a market. So the changes of information age. So what are the reasons why there is a changes of information age? So the information age has changed people in technology, science, economy, cultures, and even the way people think. So the internet is arguable and the most prominent in everything. It has made people lazier but also make more populations smarter. So the information age has made industrial countries more uplift or more progressive or stronger. So what is the impact of information ages? So the information age brought many inventions and innovations. That is why we have many communication services like email, social medias, Facebook, and etc. that has not been used before or during the time wherein there's no invention yet, there's no communication line yet. All they have is the newspapers, letters, and etc. So many people learn new language. That is why some of us, some of the people, especially those who are K-pop fan there, who loves series, movies, etc., from the other countries, they learn how to speak new languages because of this information age. So they are more educated. So what is media in the digital age? So what would be the purpose of media in the digital age? So digital age is more historic period in the 21st century. It was characterized by a rapid shift from traditional industry into industrial revolutions that brought an economy through industrialization to an economy based on information technology. So there are three stages. This is the pre-digital age. So what does it mean? Pre-digital age, it was where the media has physical and where technologies live alongside, and it is parallel to each other's but rarely intertwined. That is why retail was either in store via home shopping. The media channels were labeled as singular devices that we consume on TVs, newspapers, magazines, and even the radios. So the next stage is the mid-digital age. The period of straddles that age where the digital age become acceptable in the mainstream. That is why it is a digital age that is fully immersed into our society. And the last stage was the post-digital age, or the post-digital age can only be defined as an age where everything is digitally connected. So, just like right now, we are connected. Whatever the people post or whatever the issue is, we are already updated, right? even just a minute or a second in social medias, it has been posted. So many medias normally refers to as a means of communication that is use a unique tool to interconnect along people. The forms of media includes televisions, radios, cellular phones, and the internet. In the digital age, media is considered to be as a message, medium, and also a messenger. Then was the media considered to be the message? The media is considered to be the message itself for those who own or create its own content. That is a forms of content that is userly generated or professionally produced. So some examples of media as a tool used especially in this millennial periods is to generate a content that is blog. Blog is a combination of the two words, which means the web and the log. So it works at the same time it works the same way as the pen and paper. That when privacy becomes irrelevant to a given that blogs can be posted or seen by anyone online. So the person who wrote blogs is called blogger. So the next is message is considered the media is considered as a medium. A medium is refers to a tool used in sending from a source to its destination. So what does it mean? So with the latest technology, the so-called social media has become an avenue of informations in disseminating or even taking over news sites and bringing the latest up to date. This is what I said a while ago. Just like the Twitter, the user's application that is constantly updated. The Twitter users about a certain topic. This is what I said. There are many topics in a Twitter that can be posted and we are updated to it even just a minute or a second. So in this platform, the users can also share their users' content to discuss a topic which wants another. So there are people na they want to there are many people who discuss a topic just like in Facebook. As we all know, there are many likes, shares, and everything in a Facebook. So that is what we call media as a tool, wherein we can share or give informations from ours to the other peoples with the use of this as a medium, like the messenger. If we want to send something to someone, there is a messenger, so we could send it to them. So the last thing is the media as a messenger. So what does a messenger mean? These are the one who deliver the message. This is like the broadcasters, examples of a messengers that is in the news as media as a messenger. So messenger is the one who delivers the message. This is any as the broadcasters, for example, wherein they deliver the message through the news, that is called media. So although media can be a message, medium, or a messenger, in a digital age, there are demarcations line between them that's somewhat blurry. So sometimes we cannot say that it is a media, it is a medium, it is a message or a messenger. So it can be. It depends upon the user on how does they work from it. So I think that would be all. So see you in my next video. Thank you.
As what I have learned from the discussion
that internet, the development of internet is very useful for us to learn something new. As we all know, in today's generation, the means of communication is through the use of internet. Especially as of today, we are experiencing a pandemic. That is why there is a social distancing, and we cannot have face-to-face communication with our relative friends. So the internet is very important, and that is what the 21st century's development big implications to us. So, and also for today's as a future teacher, we must see to it that the details that we are sharing to our future students is authentic for us to avoid fake news and misunderstanding. So there will be no misunderstanding from the topics that we can share to them. So I think the internet is very, very, very helpful for us for the future generations also. So it could be very useful for them. So I think that would be all. Thank you.